As the climate continues to change, subtle, qualitative, and highly local impacts can't be detected from satellites and remote sensing alone. That's why we invented Icy Change, a community weather and climate journal that syncs both stories and data for citizens to personalize and track our changing climate. Icy Change lets you ask questions and make other related sightings about your local environment, the weather, and climate with your phone or desktop computer. Your sightings are tagged with satellite and weather data and broadcast to scientists, media, and other citizens, allowing the entire community to investigate in real time. For example, Amber Kleinman, an icy changer in western Colorado, was surprised to find her bees buzzing in the middle of January in 2015. People immediately began to investigate and quickly discovered the source. Silver maple flowers were blooming early. On top of this, frogs were singing, termites were hatching, and grass fires were burning. All of these strange observations were warning signals of the earliest spring on record for the West. And early springs can lead to droughts, flash freezes, wildfires, and West Nile virus. So what seems like small talk about the weather, for economists and city planners, these are billion-dollar disasters. Local weather impacts our national and our global economies every year. So when it comes to eyeing weather and climate, the best expert isn't the guy on TV or an app on your phone. It's you. It's me. We can all sense when things are weird in our local environment. Like Icy Changer Bob Hutchinson, who posted about beached whales in the Bay Area. Bob's sightings are automatically embedded with weather and satellite data. This helps connect local signs of change to bigger picture patterns over time. So when an icy changer in Los Angeles noticed never-before-seen blue jellies washing up on the beach, the Icy Change team knew something was up. We interviewed climate scientists about unusually warm pockets of water developing in the Pacific in 2015. These pockets are not only responsible for upending marine ecosystems, they're probably also linked to prolonged droughts and warmth in the West, the same warmth that caused Amber's bees to wake up in January. Icy Change has a global community. Icy Changers post about failing monsoons in New Delhi, early springs in Australia, drought and wildfires in Canada, and flash flooding in Rwanda. But if Icy Change data was available at a larger scale, it could be potentially very valuable to climate researchers. So in 2017, Icy Change worked with the University of Sheffield to assess our database and look for opportunities to leverage Icy Change observations for research. We will continue to look into external data sets alongside semantic web technologies to provide better means to identify climate change trends. Thank you. We look forward to working with you all to discover what empowered 21st century communities can discover together.